I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, mostly in the mid-30s to the mid-40s, even as warm as the low 50s over northwest Kansas. A light wintry mix is likely tonight into tomorrow morning. Precipitation could start as rain or freezing rain before a transition to snow. Snow accumulation expected to be mostly less than an inch, but there could be localized amounts near 2 inches, mostly to the north and east of the Tri-Cities. In behind the cold front, highs this weekend, mostly in the mid-teens to the mid-20s. Wind chills by Sunday morning expected to be near 20 below. Multiple rounds of widespread light to moderate snow likely for Sunday night into Tuesday. A lack of moisture should prevent any heavy amounts. Near record cold arrives for Tuesday and Wednesday. Highs in the single digits to the low teens. Possibly some areas struggling to get above zero on Tuesday. A sustained warming trend develops by late next weekend, leading to highs in the 50s and some 60s the last week of the month. That good news shows up in the long-term forecast. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures colder than normal the middle to late days of next week. Then a quick change to warmer than normal temperatures arrives by late next weekend through February 27th. During the final days of February in central Nebraska, typical daytime highs are in the mid-40s with average overnight lows in the low 20s. Precipitation chances dry up with below normal precipitation indicated Wednesday through February 27th in both Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors influencing the markets include rain stabilizing crops in Argentina and drier weather for central Brazil fieldwork. Storminess across the western U.S. merges into low pressure crossing the central and southern plains tonight through tomorrow. The storm intensifies until reaching the lower Great Lakes on Sunday. Storm highlights include ongoing western precipitation the rest of today, torrential weekend rainfall, and possible flooding from the mid-south into the Ohio Valley. Severe thunderstorms sweeping eastward from the lower Mississippi Valley, mostly late tomorrow into Sunday, and weekend snow from the upper Midwest into the Northeast. Another surge of very cold air trails with widespread readings colder than 20 below early next week across the northern plains and upper Midwest. Freezes could extend as far south as Texas to northern Florida. In central Brazil, progress on soybean harvest and second crop corn planting is increasing with less widespread rain. Second crop corn planting in central Brazil very delayed with one more week to complete before it's considered late. Towards Argentina, rain today and tomorrow lingers in northern areas early next week. The heaviest rains once again expected across northeast Argentina, while southern Buenos Aires and La Pampa see lighter amounts. With much of the Argentina corn and soybean crop already damaged by heat and dryness, the upcoming rains should help to stabilize crops. Across the western Black Sea region, wheat went dormant in good condition, but in poor condition in the east, especially southwestern Russia. Precipitation this weekend could provide snow cover before a slightly more active pattern late next week. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.